Ay wah, panalo mga matitigas kong kamanoy. Pilipino arroz caldo. Gagana kaya to sa iba't ibang lahi na katrabaho ko. Panoorin natin sa bidyong ito. At medyo inanghangan ko itong mga kamanoy kasi alam kong malalakas magsili mga kasamahan ko. Nga pala, maraming salamat for the past 2 videos kasi nagkaroon tayo ng almost 700 na followers mga kamanoy. Sa hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, mag-subscribe kayo at tingnan natin ang feedback sa iba't ibang lahi ng arroz caldo.
Interview with the most beautiful girl from Indonesia. You tried the food last time, no?
What's
So,
the name?
Arroz caldo.
Rice.
So, what is your score from 1 to 10? 1,500 boys.
Wow.
We're asking if you are still single, double, or complicated. Or the rate.
Yeah, I will give
Subir, arroz caldo last night. Test by Subir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Really, I like.
if you will give the score rate from 1 to 10. What is the score of the arroz caldo?
Yeah, that one I will give very much. Yes. I give the rating for
Last night we served arroz caldo.
Wow.
So what is your score in arroz caldo from 1 to 10? Yeah. Po ngayon si Inday. Si Inday po. Yan. Kung ikaw magluluto nun, ano yung mga kakulangan yung sa arroz caldo natin?
Okay.
Pususangpu.
Kastusa.
कस्तो छ ठिक छ राम्रो छ
Apakah Barma?
हाय alhamdulillah baik baik
Assalamualaikum Ahmad. Aldi from Indonesia. Aldi, you taste the arroz caldo last night, right? You taste the arroz caldo. So if you will rate this one, if you will give a rate from 1 to 10, how will you rate the green? This arroz caldo. Your honest opinion, it's okay even 5 for Jitsu. Because I'm having a review for the Filipino food for other nationalities. So that's why I'm having a vlog. So from 1 to 10, no problem. 5 for Jitsu, but much better.
I'll give
8.
Yes!
It's similar to
Oh,
yeah,
really?
similar, yeah.
What name of the food?
Puraya.
Wow.
Like chicken porridge.
Chicken porridge also, Pupuraya. Which place in Indonesia?
Everywhere
in Indonesia?
yeah.
Pupuraya.
Puraya.
Let's
like,
rate.
like it's like general chicken porridge.
Yeah, because they are near to our place now, Indonesia and Philippines. So they have buburayam. If there is arroz caldo in the Philippines, in Indonesia, the version is buburayam. It's also sticky rice.
Yeah. So it's not just regular rice.
Salty or sweet?
Salty.
And then different flavors of chicken flavor, beef flavor.
No,
the same.
It's the only chicken.
Do you have here in the Indonesian food? In Indonesian restaurant?
Here, no. Here,
Okay. Aldi, thank you. What's the score?
8.
8. Aldi, 8. Where is the price box?
Rice there only.
The box for the price.
Yes there.
Okay. Mr. Aber from Hyderabad. So yesterday, last night we cooked the arroz caldo. So I would like to ask you now if 1 to 10, what will be the grade or the rate?
Yeah, I will go for like 8.
8. So is there any food same like this in the India?
No,
Hyderabad?
it's some food like Chinese. I know the taste. It's like crispy.
So you mean-
little spicy. Okay, little spicy.
Because I put the chili. That's why you like.
Yeah, it's like if I like more spicy. Yes.
During the birthday of my son, I will prepare this chili with coconut milk.
Yeah.
This is the best from my province in the Philippines. It's called Bicol Express. Chiliness. So it's 8 out of 10 because I put some paprika. I mix with the paprika. That's why
Yeah.
Mr. Arvin like it. Thank you very much, Mr. Arvin. Until next time,
Yeah.
for the chili, this one, Bicol Express. All right, let's do it.
Yes, sir. Pinay?
Let's have the score. Food rate. Subir arroz caldo last night. Test by Subir.
Yes, sir.
So
Really, I like.
if you will give the score rate from 1 to 10, What is your battery score of the Arroz Caldo?
Yeah, that one I like really. Very nice dish. I give the rating for 10 to 10. Really nice because I like that one.
Yeah, because, but if that's one, if we serve that one on early,
Yeah.
like after cook, the consistency is good.
Yeah, it is.
But last night, it's already like few hours ago. That's why it's thick.
Yeah,
No,
I can
the soup,
understand. But
yeah, yeah.
the taste is really very nice. Sir.
Yeah,
Really, I like
it's
it.
chicken stock for long time. That's
Yeah.
why. But who will be the Prime Minister tomorrow? Modi?
We will see tomorrow.
Who's your Prime Minister? Modi? Last night we served Arroz Caldo. So what is your score in Arroz Caldo from 1 to 10? Yeah.
9.
Yes, that's good. So everything okay. So tomorrow is Modi Prime Minister. Po ngayon si Inday. Si Inday po, ayan. Kung ikaw magluluto nun, ano yung mga kakulangan yung sa Arroz Caldo natin?
Okay na siya, Pete.
Okay na, okay
Wala
na.
nang kailangan. Pagmamahal. Sobrang pagmamahal.
Oo, kaso ang pagmamahal ko sa Pilipinas lang. Wala tayo dito. Tayo good boy na. Ay, salamat ha. Thank you. From 1 to 10, what is your score?
10.
Thank you very much. Interview with the most beautiful girl from Indonesia. You tried the food last time, no?
Your what's
So,
the name? With
Arroz Caldo.
yeah, right?
So, what is your score from 1 to 10?
100.
I'm flattered. Aldi told me that it has same like the buburayang.
Yes, chicken porridge.
Chicken porridge. So, the buburayang have different flavors also, like chicken, beef
Yes,
also.
beef also the same.
That's why she like
Is
almost the same, no?
Yes, almost.
But it's spicy that one. The buburayang.
Yeah.
That's why it's scored 11 out of 10. Well, somebody is asking, 1,500 boys. Is, we're asking if you are still single, double, or complicated.
I'm complicated. I'm double. I'm double.
Sorry, boys. From Kerala. I gave you last time the Arroz Caldo, Filipino food. So what's your score from 1 to 10?
It's 10.5.
Like this beautiful woman from Indonesia. I can't imagine. Too much boys coming, applying for you. What? Okay, from Kerala Aspak. 10
Wow.
points.